So it's been a while since I've done a fucking unboxing video, and my boys over at Rav Power, they hit me up and they're like, hey, so we got this new product here, do you want it? I'm like, fuck yeah, bud. Sent it to me 2 days later. I lost it. I found it. It's here. So pretty much, let's get into it. Where the fuck is my knife? I know you guys have missed the unboxing videos, and I know I haven't been uploading that much. I've been busy with a lot. It's my last week. I have finals week right now. I have been streaming a lot and very consistently over at twitch.tv/GoldMine if you do want to check that out. Like I said, I'm trying to broaden my horizons, trying to make GoldMine, you know, not just rely on fucking YouTube shit, because we all know how that works.
The joke is, it didn't work.
Anyway, let's get into this fucking box real quick. God damn it. Twitch Prime, by the way. Oh yeah, sharper than my fucking pussy. Oh fuck. There we go. Got fucking air and shit. Oh yeah. Don't you ever just like, you just want to pop this shit? Oh yeah. Peek the mic, baby. Oh yeah. Goddamn. Boys over at Rav Power. That's what's up. Welcome to the Rav Power family. 20 million plus and counting. Huh. So pretty much what they gave me here today is a wireless fucking battery backup. I've unboxed a couple battery backups in the past, anywhere ranging from high quality, really good, you know, fucking convenient battery backups to solar panel battery backup. But the difference with this one is that this is a relatively cheap and for some reason a bitch to fucking open wireless portable fucking charger. 10,000 milliamp hours, by the way. Alright, so when you open it up, you get the cables in here. Nice little fucking cyan green packaging bullshit. I actually don't know how to open it. I think it's retard proof. They should have thought about this before they sent it to me. God damn it. Oh, there we go. What's inside the box? The fuck? Get out, you stupid bitch. Your typical USB to mini USB fucking charger. Oh, you get a little cute Rav Power carrying case, you know, FAP sock. The manual, which literally no one on earth reads. And then underneath is the actual battery. Alright, another fucking box that I'm probably not gonna be able to open. Fucking hell. Oh shit. How the God damn it, dude. Everything is so complicated to open. Am I this fucking dumb? There we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, dude. Looks like a fucking... Oh shit. Alright, so here it is. Here's the device. Got a little circle. This is, I'm assuming, the indicator where you're gonna put your phone whenever you want to just wirelessly charge that bitch. 10,000 milliamp hour. It does have a battery indicating lights. It's at 3 right now. One dot is 25%, 2 is 50, and so on and so forth. It comes with a USB, and then there's the charger, the mini USB to charge up the actual device. I'm glad they do have the USB there just in case, like, you don't want to charge it wirelessly. I don't fucking know. Now, if you guys have seen my last video, my last unboxing video, Rav Power actually gave me their really cheap, like $10 to $15 fucking fast charging, you know, just like wireless charging station. I still use it. I use it every day. So pretty much this is the equivalent of that, except it's actually fucking wireless because it's just a fucking thing that you like. There you go. Fucking power. Alright, so let's fucking test it. Fucking shit and goddamn. Maybe I have to turn it on. Am I retarded? What? I see a red light. I think it's on now? Oh shit, it works. There you go. This ain't no foolery. See that shit? Watch, wait. It's not on? Now it is. Easy clap. Hey, that's really fucking cool. When it's also charging, you'll see a little green light at the top of the device. It's pretty cool. And then you just tap the button up here if you want to see the battery indicator lights. Just wanted to make a quick video, quick unboxing video. I know I'm super, I'm sorry. Like, shit, man. I really did want to make this video, though. This product, I mean, it's fucking cool. It's $35 for a 10,000 milliamp hour wireless, fully wirelessly charging fucking battery. And apparently they're gonna give you guys a coupon code that will be in the description because I don't fucking know what it is. Right now, at least. So yeah, like I said, I've been focusing a lot on streaming right now. Videos should be resuming, or should be a lot more frequent once I'm done with class. So yeah, thanks for the support, homies. I appreciate it. I really do like this product. It's working great. It's clean. It's slick. It's not heavy. It works well. I mean, from what I've tested so far, it works just like any other like wireless station, except this is a portable fucking charging bank. I'm definitely gonna be using this. Like, it's really useful, especially if you don't have a cord with you, which I tend to forget a lot for some reason. I don't know why. Or I'll leave it in my fucking car, but like my car's at my house because someone picked me up or some bullshit. Like, there's like a... It's never where you want it to be. It's really inconvenient, man. This solves that fucking problem. God damn it. Links in the description if you want to check it out. 35 bucks, I think it's pretty good. I love my boys over at Rav Power. They support me, they support the channel, so support me by supporting them. Fuck it. Check out my Twitch, subscribe on there, fuck YouTube.